how to automatically add subscribers in Sendy from Google Sheets. So in this video, I'll show you that whenever a new customer's data is added into your spreadsheet, how you can automatically add a very same subscriber into your Sendy application without doing anything manually. Yes, we are going to integrate or connect to Google Sheets and Sendy with the help of an automation software. And after that, what will happen? Every time you're going to add the customer, user, or any other detail here, the same person will be created as a subscriber here in the Sendy. Want to learn how you can do that? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my spreadsheet where I'm going to add the data of my new customers and users, and you will see that how the same data will be automatically synced with the Sendy software. And I am going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. And you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link into my description box. Now, if you are a new user of Pabbly Connect, you will have to sign up for free. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I'm clicking on signing. And in the free account, you will also get free task every month to test these kinds of amazing automation. All right, so I have clicked on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now, after reaching out to the dashboard, you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and simply provide a random name to your automation, to your workflow. So I'm providing the name as add subscribers in Sendy from Google Sheets. Now click on create, and again you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. I'm repeating this again, whenever this happens, do this. So understand with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say, send an email via Gmail application. And here, according to our use case, whenever the data is added in Google Sheets application, automatically create the subscriber in Sendy application. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are setting up an automation. And here, since I want to create the subscribers via Google Sheets, so that is why the first application I have chosen is Google Sheets, and I want that whenever the data is updated or data is added into the spreadsheet, this automation should start trigger. So that is why I have selected this particular trigger event. Okay, and I just have a single trigger only here. Okay, now after selecting these two things here, you can see a webhook URL and few set of instructions. Okay, so the idea here is we are going to connect our spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect, so that first Pabbly Connect will capture the spreadsheet data, and then we are going to send the same data with the help of Pabbly Connect to different application or to the Sendy application. Okay, so follow my instructions, copy this webhook URL, go back to your spreadsheet, and here you will have to click on this extension, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here you will have to search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. Alright, so I'm searching for the same Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you can see it is already installed into my account. But make sure whenever you are building the connection in between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, you will have to firstly install it, because we'll have to do the settings in this particular add-on only, which you will find after the installation here, Pabbly Connect webhooks option. Okay, now click on initial setup, and here exactly we are going to copy and paste the same webhook URL here in this particular box. Okay, asking for the webhook URL, so I have added the new webhook URL. Asking for the trigger column. Well, trigger column, you'll have to read the instructions, will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So basically it is asking us to provide a trigger column on the filling of which the automation should trigger or the data should send. Okay, so I want that whenever the data is filled up to C column, the automation should trigger. So here I'm going to add some dummy details in front of you. So let's say dummy is the name of the user, customer is the name of the user only, and okay, and here is the email address of the very same person, and I'm going to send this particular data to Sendy and going to create him as a subscriber. Okay, so clicking on extension, clicking on Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on, clicking on initial setup, going to click on send test after pasting the URL. Okay, so this is my URL, and here I am providing the trigger column as C, because I want that whenever the data is filled up to C, the automation should send the data. Okay, I have clicked on send test, and here you can see the test data has sent successfully, and here you can see the response has been received right after clicking on the button. Let us check the details one by one. Here we have the trigger column as C, and it is the same column. Spreadsheet name is yes, list of new users. I'm sorry for that. List of new users. Here we have the last name is customer, the first name is dummy. Here we have the email address. So this is how we have captured all the details, and now onwards what will happen, every time you're going to add the details here, the same details will be automatically captured in Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to send the same details to the Sendy application. Alright, so that is why I am searching for the Sendy here. And in the action event, since I want to add a subscriber, so that is why I'll choose this particular action event. Now you will have to connect your Sendy account with the Pabbly Connect, for which it is asking for the API key and the Sendy URL. Well, Sendy URL is enter your Sendy installation example this, and there must be no trailing slash. Okay, so this is my Sendy application, and here I am going to copy the area, copy the section up to this. Okay, and make sure that you do not include that ending slash. Okay, I have copied and pasting here, and it is asking for the API key. Well, for the API key you will have to go to the admin section, I guess. Click on settings section, and here you will find your API key. You can copy it and directly paste it into the Pabbly Connect, and this is how you can connect your Sendy application with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the list ID, the name, the email, and several other details. Well, I am going to fill only those details which are actually important for creating a subscriber. Okay, so how about first we select the list ID. Okay, so from where exactly I'll get the list ID? The list ID you want to subscribe a user to. This scripted and hashed ID icon can be found under the view all list section named ID. Okay, so I'll be taking you to the Sendy application, and here I'm going back, and here exactly in the left hand side you will find an option of view all list, and among this particular list you will find the list ID of every individual subscriber list. So let's say I want to add the subscriber in this PabCon email list, so I am going to copy the ID of this particular list only and going to paste the same. Okay, so this is how you can get the list ID. Now it is asking for the name, so I have already received the name and other details of the person, so I'm going to provide the same, and I don't need to manually copy and paste the data. If you'll click on this particular link, on this particular field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Yes, you will find the data here. You just need to map that data. Okay, so here's the first name I have mapped. Give a space, and if you want to provide the last name, you can also provide the same, and for now I am adding the first name only. Alright, now it is asking for the email, or how about we also provide the last name. Okay, so which was dummy customer. Okay, with the space I have provided the details with the space, and it is asking for the email address. So directly searching with the help of @ and here is the same email address, and this is how you can map the details. And what is this mapping all about? So whatever the details you will map here will be automatically replaced when this automation will work in real time. So what will happen, every time the new data will arrive here, the same data will automatically captured via Pabbly Connect, and that new data will replace this existing value if you have mapped these values. Okay, and just in case whatever the details you are providing manually, these details will remain same. So this is the importance of mapping here. Now, after providing all the necessary details, if you also want to provide these details, you can do the same. But for now, I'll be clicking on this button Save and Send Test Request, and will take you directly to the PabCon email list, whose list ID I have provided into the Pabbly Connect. And here you can see before the 2 seconds, the same customer name and email. Basically, the subscriber has been created, has been added automatically right after clicking on this particular button. So this is how now onwards, whenever someone is going to add the data into the spreadsheet, the same person will be automatically created as a subscriber into the Sendy. And for that, you'll have to enable one very important setting, that is send on event. If you want this automation to run in the real time, if you want this automation, if you want the Google Sheets to send your data automatically to the Pabbly Connect, you'll have to enable this send on event. Okay, and after enabling, you will find this right mark. Okay, now I'm going to provide the data of one more customer. So let's say this time the person name is demo, user is the last name, and here is the email address as desk@pabblytudes.com. Okay, now if I'll click on, basically if I'll press enter here, you will see how the same person will be automatically created as a subscriber. I'll need to refresh my need to refresh this Sendy account. Alright, as it is not added right now. I'll have to wait for few more seconds. Let me press enter once again, okay? And here you can see the demo user has also added immediately. Here's the same email address and it was added 2 seconds ago. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time someone is going to add the details into the spreadsheet, the same data, the same person will be automatically created as a subscriber in Sendy application. And you just need to set this automation inside Pabbly Connect once, and after that sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. I will also attach the share workflow link into my description box. So just in case if you want to access this workflow, simply click on this link, sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, and the same workflow will be cloned into your account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.